Me hear one dub plate from Busy Signal. I mean, I know if I AI because of so many modern things that's happening right now in society where somebody can get a splice dub or them can get AI to do a dub. Me now go come and rub and send up now bad because I don't have facts or proof if it's really a busy dub. But me hear them have a Busy Signal voice where I do a dub and I disrespect Spice Army. I'm just upset it's not a real dub because at the end of the day, why would you want to do that? Why? Just why?
Tell the president it's the fucking Horny PASTAR.
Straight up, warrior.
PASTAR.
PASTAR.
Like, share, and subscribe to the Horny channel and hit the notification bell.
There was Spice.
Yeah, you know what's the meaning, yeah? That's a she need to really just at times she have to chill, you know, because what don't concern it, leave it alone because you know Busy Signal doesn't want that thing. So you know, there's no way should I even mention Busy Signal name in an interview that way, because Busy Signal don't busy people, you see me?
But you have to remember what she said Busy do. She said Busy sing a dub plate dissing Spice Army, so she take offense to that.
But saying this, you know, if you don't have nobody, if you are going to if you are going to a competition, and it does where she did want it to be reggae against gospel or reggae against R&B.
Reggae against everybody else.
Yeah, that means that then, for you know, say you want a challenge, you want a person with challenge, you know, does one win so easily. You understand?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, if I mean just see one go there with peer reggae artist, we maybe with a board. You understand? You get the point?
Yeah. So
yeah, of course, man. Come on, man.
So you think the Spice misunderstand it then?
Of course, man. What do you mean? Then you know one competitor, man. Then you know one bad. You know what the other side job bad dog plate, man. Make him have to muscle up and think about which one to come with, man.
But
come on,
she no want no Jamaican artist to sing no dub plate for the other sound them in the world, because it's not Spice against the world, against these sound, you know, it's Jamaica.
What you mean? What you mean? Spice not represent Jamaica like that? In what way? Spice do the worst thing one of the time when go perform for the certain community. That is one of the worst thing could ever do. So you forget that part, bro. When you go perform for that over the side there, did he never do that thing about Jamaica at the time?
So you think that was a sellout?
Then you know one bigger sellout than that. Come on, bro. You know one bigger sellout than that, man. You see what I mean? Yeah, look on Mavado. Remember, you know, it's all about, all right, you must have 500. What do you mean? So obviously, if a 500, I don't play much in period that female artist said. I've seen 5 in period female artist, and if you know, say a 5.
No, that was a disrespect when she said that. She was just smarting up the thing away, say, you know what I mean?
Simple. So much in period female artists, them then. Or just get free. Okay, them man buy and him get them for free. Is that so?
I don't know, but she say it away. So if a $500 or $1,000, whatever, busy in a broke.
No, you can't. Not regardless what busy, not even business. You know, you should not even mention busy in a certain thing. Because man, you remember if you want a dub plate, you reach out to the man. See?
So she get no busy dub plate.
If he may get busy dub plate, he will not complain at the end of the day. You call up. Remember, say even see him Vegas there as well. Him say a certain man if he contact Vegas. If he contact when him Shenyang, if he get the dub plate. So obviously he still may have the ego about her. You understand? But in team be the biggest person and say, listen, without them people that you cannot win, so we have to get them thing there.
I pray that Spice is taking Sound Clash from a different level, a female level, where, as me say in my video, me say when you buy a dub from the artist, you can't, and the next selector can't cost the artist. You have to cost the sound.
Yeah. If you cost the artist, you are making money.
No, you can't.
You can't do that, bro. No. So I see me if me here, another cartel over there. So remember, you know, cartel could have, I see a bounty killer, that's a bounty killer sell out. So if a person call offer the money, okay. make a phone call link. If I need a dub plate favor ever.
If somebody link cartel and get a counteraction from cartel for Spice, then Spice then realize how the business really work and say
Yeah.
it work off of them friend thing.
No, man. That's some.
As me say in my video, say Japanese them we come with enough money and get the dub plate in a special way. Wait, then that's how business go.
Oh,
You
look,
can't afford it.
if you go back to go listen to Mighty Crown and different with Mighty Crown and Fire Linsom and Panther and in Chupa all of them. 'Cause Mighty Crown spend their money. So they need to go listen some slash and see say some sound of foreign spend their money to do what them a do while them sit and wait for a few freedom. You understand?
Nah man, Spice spend our money, man.
What you feel that Mighty Crown come ahead, so come a lead in the whole thing back in a certain time, after a certain time, so because the man them see the craft and start spending money.
Yep.
So should the other artists refuse Mighty Crown money?
Nope. Well, if a Spice a clash, you are expected to refuse the money because you don't want to sell out the culture.
Oh, if a Spice.
If a Spice a clash and you do a dub plate that is you're selling out the culture at that time. You're selling out Jamaica.
Okay, I got your point. Man.
Otherwise, no, you do your business. But when I
Yeah.
because me no rate what she say. The 100% me no rate what she say. You can't diss Mavado and this busy because them do dub plate for somebody work on other dub plate and you couldn't add a dub plate from them and you didn't.
Of course it is.
And she couldn't book Mavado for perform at the same event that the what is her name? No nature or native them name.
Yeah.
Or some from Africa. I think. I'm not sure. But the name native and she said, Mavado, come out for native. Him sell out Jamaica. No.
Then pay them man. Then book them man.
Yeah. So what you want to do? Because Spice is gonna be there. I'm not gonna take the bookings because
Yeah, we're gonna go take the booking. Why you never reach out to me first and book me then?
you never see value in me. You see value in all of who you book.
Yeah. So me if you just stay back my partner if you go and come for you, my kids are not you because of you.
Yeah, because I don't want to sell out the culture because if I go and perform for what's the country place name native, it means I'm selling out Jamaica. No. Me just collect my money and go and have a nice trip to England.
I totally I don't remember, but it was a few years now I listened to I think one of them selector was talking, one of the DJ guy was talking from back home. And I think he said that like me pay if you cut a dub plate and the other man they come pay if you cut the same dub plate. You get me? Well, you have to you know so obviously you have to still stand up strong if you say you're not gonna do it.
Listen. I am selling dub plate right now. Right now I am selling dub plate.
Yeah.
And if you want the dub so every dub plate missing gonna be a different dub plate for somebody else.
Okay. You get me?
1 second, the caller can be important. 1 second.
Okay.
Chupa. Yeah, me dep on a call. Me a call you right forward as me finish, yeah? Everything good though. No problem. As soon as I come off for that call, I'm link you forward. Alright, remember. Shung. What we did them, G?
Yeah, we was talking about yourself, the dub plate, like a sound one if you do dub plate and the same dub plate, every dub plate different. And that's true.
No, you go now. Me have 4 dub plate me I sell nowadays. Like I mean I just say 4 of them me I do. And every son I buy 4 of them. If you want a different particular one, you can get a different if you ask for that. Or if you want the force in a specialized way where it a call up that particular sound that you and them a clash next weekend, then that's a different money.
Yeah.
But the same dub plate, the same dub plate.
Of course it is.
Yeah. So I don't know.
Me just find a rabbit, especially when him go say call busy name where that you not even just in him own a lane. You know, name one a lane.
But she said busy sing this song in a special way for the other sound where it a call.
Yeah, for the song. Yeah, but you see the song.
It a this Spice Army.
Yeah.
So she
You know the spice, ma the spice and but at the end of the day, me tell you what to say in the dub plate, you know, how more want me dub plate. If not you just say, as soon as you know, me tell you as the son, and me say more want me dub plate to call Spice Army. That way they and do it like that. That's all you know. And you tell the person you want your dub plate, so them have to tell busy signal the way to structure in dub plate.
and then Spice as well know say that particular dub plate costs different money.
Of course, 100%.
She an artist and she knows that dub plate costs a particular price, but when it's specifically designed for it's cost. So when
A
she say about
specific word, yeah.
and
Mm-hmm.
so when she say about if it costs $500, she knows there are 5 bills for that.
No. She just rule the soccer in the try to big up himself and believe him man then thing. Maybe she wait and Mr. Busy don't business with nobody. And Mr.
Alright.
Artist and just love how he flex.
Let me take out little insurance and say to all the ladies that might see this video, don't take offense. However, sound clashing is not for women and men to be clashing the same time because men take it different. Woman and woman fi clash, so any cuss and pasa misunderstanding go and them can deal with that. When man a clash, man know what fi say. First of all, you cannot cuss the artist. Never. Cuss the
No.
selector. Find something
That's the
else to say.
selector.
Don't
Yeah.
cuss the artist.
Tell the selector what he go do and what to play good and what to just don't cost the artist because the artist getting paid to do. You understand? That's what the artist is for. He get paid.
So ladies fi clash with ladies.
Yeah.
A man fi
That's
clash
what-
with man.
One man slash with man. That's what that was meant in the beginning. Him Kane push and I share to his brother at the end of the day. So you understand? A man slash woman a woman slash. If you are too big, you leave it. You understand?
Cause you say certain woman I gonna say certain things. Me point out in my last video as well. Me say when Spice go up on Cartel show, she go call out Alkaline name, and Alkaline
Look,
name never did mention call. So it just show you a woman.
That was not the right place you call him man name. That was not the right show. That was not the no. It's like you call if you just people here say you need a show that night they work. It's on the way you're gonna stand out.
And then Alkaline get a big up over the media for that thing. Them
Of course it is.
So you shouldn't. So I see, yeah, ladies nothing know. Ladies for no.
So, just like how you did have the two artists and they perform on that show where you know a little thing did that with them and get away. At the end of the day, theater was not the right place for it. You get me? Because you still show respect to the man who fell out from jail and things. So just keep that respect there and keep the thing real for now. You understand? You get me?
So you think so she take things too personal then?
Of course, man. Of course, man. Leave the man them out. Leave the man them, bro. Leave the two man because them man are really, in a certain type of social media, bagger like that. We come back and forth.
I think she's a bit into herself because she said sell out the culture like she is the culture.
Yeah, and she go take pride, gay pride show the other day.
She look on her face. She look serious on her face when she talk about the busy part.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Like really
So-
and truly busy sell out the culture, you know.
See, when even football beating, say he can't, and she go do it, she decides she wrote, no one can tell him, but why did you do that at the time then? That's the biggest sellout you go do. So when you talk, you think about what I said first before you even jump and say, you come at this class, you win, God help you win. Yeah? At the end of the day, you need a competitor. You don't just want to go to
She
something.
don't win. She don't win anyway, you know. She don't win, you know, because she full of vibes and the other sound them. Remember, Richie Feelings them and Noah Power them help her with the advice of how
Yes,
to coordinate this whole thing.
Yes,
Not just
yes.
Spice, I don't think.
No.
Them coordinate and make sure know to do this and do that and Ray.
Mm-hmm.
However, Spice are the leader, so Spice get the full credit.
Of course, yeah. But at the end of the day, him have him advisor them who tell him how to structure and thing and go about it.
Quite so.
Yeah.
She must have her own input as well. However, it's not just Spice. It's the whole team. It's the advisor. Them behind the scenes will help her for win. But them advisor forget a Mavado and advisor forget a busy dub at least because she played quite a few Mavadas, but there wasn't dub. So she wasn't supporting Mavado in any way.
Yeah.
As soon as she see Mavado get some bookings and run out, she decides, I'm vexed about it. I'm hurt. How can they sell out the culture? 'Cause, you know, spice is the culture.
You don't go like that, man. She needs to just a bit regardless. She just terrible. She still needs it. She can do a bit better without understand. Think about what you have to say first before you really come say. Don't trouble for don't trouble who don't really trouble you who don't in
I
them.
have to understand it's just a lady thing, my brother. It's a lady thing. Ladies will always express their feelings a little bit more, and their feelings sometimes is to how they feel, not how the world feel.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
and
that's
nobody
true.
no feel likes to busy them sell out the culture, just she alone.
Yeah.
'Cause
Yeah.
I don't hear Richie feelings and Noah Power saying the same thing
No,
as her.
no. It would have bothered they go call Bitty feelings them know what's going on and know. So listen, it would have mattered if we really call this youth name or because this youth no inner well we inner like that. You understand? Them when they come on and say one or two thing and that's it. You understand?
It's totally not no sellout for
No,
Mavado to
no,
perform for
no,
the sound that book him. It's totally
no,
not,
no.
and it's totally
It's
not a
business.
sellout for Busy
It's
to sell
business,
out the
bro.
plate.
It's business.
It's business. And
Yeah, business is business, man.
as a lady, and lady don't make business slip them. She should understand most of all. Say this is
Mm-hmm.
business. Cause as I said, she went and performed for the chaps them over there, and she was saying it's business.
Yeah, that's what she was saying.
So
So I don't know how long she decides that you don't know if it's something. No, are you serious? Are she serious? I don't think she think. I don't honestly.
yeah, man, she see
I,
you don't look on her face and she says she serious in her communication, brother. You just look on her face in the busy signal interview. She's quite serious. She talk with passion. Busy sell out the culture, not Spice. And Spice, he didn't even sell nothing out because I don't owe her anything.
deep in herself when she really look back, she have got people, even her friend and people on maybe they're not telling her. I say, why you really? I say, what are you saying? I don't think what you say really add up to, why you saying this because you sell out more than anybody else. The fact is not the truth is the truth. What can we say? What can we do about it? Everyone have freedom of speech if you talking it.
And so you sell out more than anybody. I think so too because what she done, a lot of people is liberated, whatever the word is nowadays, and right? But a lot of people still in the old-fashioned way of the fire.
Yeah.
She didn't care about them.
Remember even I think I just in a COVID Spice go put on false color just for the publicity when thing that going on. She if you get what they did say happen.
That wasn't so bad. That was just she paint herself for
Yeah,
that wasn't really bad, really.
yeah, but at the end of the day, just to be seen to the on the platform when did I go at the time? You understand? We ever see what them something there? No, stand up for your right, man. Stand up for your music and do what you have to do. If you're making your money, listen, you're making your money. But just do the right thing. Don't bash an artist for do something for another side. So so back in the days, what would you tell Mataran them firelings them say when Bounty do when you have Bounty killer who Mataran so but you still have firelings that play Bounty killer at the same time. See what would they say about that? I stronger Bounty killer talking it.
Right, so.
You understand?
Right, so.
When you have Shabba them I do some the other day when you have Shabba I do in guns figure that song. Yeah, and then Bounty Killer come and sing say Kappa shot. What you have to tell them say? Eh?
She just
You remember them dog? You have to remember them thing about.
she does not
Mm-hmm.
understand. She does not understand. So you have to leave it to say ignorance to think you don't know.
Mm-hmm.
She don't
Yeah.
understand how sound clash go.
No. Could never there's no understanding there there's a lot. I tell you. You understand?
Because as me say, when you're looking at her face when she attack on a busy interview, she really, really believes say busy sell out the culture. She really believed that, like really and truly, like, yeah, He did. No, he didn't.
I must. I wouldn't just know in my pre that vibe there. Maybe something we have in a she have in her sleep.
I know. I just how ladies think on a different level. I don't know. She particularly then. Remember saying she up in herself look a bit of spice that superstar, body dope
Yeah.
and mirror pretty and every girl that texts her and every man that texts her and everybody I say beautiful and girls feel that other vibe and them special. Every
Yeah.
girl special too. And then she's a super special girl now. So you can't sell me out no time. I'm beyond selling out. I'm the culture. I'm the queen of dancehall. And when you sing a song dissing the queen of dancehall, you sell out the culture because I am the culture.
Yeah. Well, fam, as I say, them can stay there with their head on, Yeah, I'm not a person who goes to what they had on, I don't frighten for the head on, So me I say, if my missus if she go, she have to cover herself, So I just want people to know that, So I say, brother, some different mind. You get me? Yeah. I don't be close frightening me upon no woman, bro. You understand?
It's
Yeah.
not that. It's not about you. It's about what she think about herself.
Yeah.
So remember, she's the queen of the dancehall. So really and truly, she have a point in herself.
Yeah, that's
Maybe
true.
not to the world, but if you
Not to the world, but
the queen of
yes,
dancehall, it's a different
yes.
perspective to tell you the truth. If the queen of dancehall is gonna perform somewhere and you sing a song against the queen of the
That's true.
dancehall,
That's true. You're wrong. You pass it. That's yeah.
yeah,
You're going overboard, innit?
yeah, in her
Yes.
eyes.
Yeah.
But maybe I don't know. But we left it there so still. But we left it there so.
Yeah, it was good to discuss, talk. There's no problem, man,
Yes, thanks we go.
Still the artists, we listen to them, and we have to do, but we still have to have
we
one
still have
and
to make
two.
we still have to make with judgment and pass. We are the listener of the music, so we have to.
Of course.
We have to have
Yeah.
well point
Call a spade,
straight up.
Yeah, man. Blessings, you get me.
Thanks we go British. Straight up, my brother.
Yeah,
Respect,
love,
straight up.
family. Love, yeah.
Hey, everybody, General Wiggle British there. Log on to the program all the time. Please to like and subscribe. And if you want to make a phone call to the pastor and do this as well, call me on 079 44 777 066. I'll dash the number somewhere down there. If you're in a foreign country, call from WhatsApp. Make an appointment and we have a conversation live right here. Well, not really live, but we can do it live too. Straight up.
So you can tell the president it's the fucking Horny PASTAR.
Straight up, warrior.
PASTAR.
PASTAR. Like, share, and subscribe to the Horny channel and hit the notification bell.